Okay, let's take a look at adding or editing a ship to customer on an order. I'm first going to start with this one here that I've just started but I've never sent in. It's still in editing mode and it's never gone to the server. So I'm going to open this one up and we'll take a look at the header information here. And just like with any header information, in order to edit it, and you see these little edit buttons, clicking any of these will open the header information edit window. Because this is a brand new order that we're still working on initially, I can still change the bill to customer, and likewise ship to customer. All I got to do is click into this box and select the ship to that I want. One thing to point out to you is your bill to customer drop down list is just going to show you your customers. You can see the length of that list. The ship to, of course, is going to show you every single customer at Wood Fruitiker. It's a much longer list. You can always use your type ahead or search by number. All right, so once we're ready, we simply close this and we're ready to go. Take a look at this X though. If I want to clear the ship to customer and it's a brand new order that I've never sent in, clicking this X just simply does that. There's no need to remember anything because as far as Wood Fruitiker is concerned, until you send this order in, it's just on your PC. So you don't have to do much but just clear it and say I want to select a different one. Okay, so just keep that in mind because when we're done with this now, I'm going to close this up. That's ready to go. And when I hit ready to sync, when we send this up, this ship to customer will be added to the order. All right, but now let's take a look at an order that already had a ship to that is in sync. And notice, here you see your bill to, and if you have ship to customers, they would appear in the order log at this point right here. So this one's already got an order, ship to customer Brothers Pizza. So let's open this one up for a minute and look at the difference when we try and edit from an existing order. So I'm going to click on this again, and I can go in and simply select a different one. Okay, but before I do that, I wanted to show you the difference in the way this X behaves. Because this is already in the system, and say I decided I want to just clear that and not have a ship to order. When I click the X the first time, what I'm going to send is basically a blank. It's an instruction to the server to blank out this. So we have to explicitly say that. If you push this plus button, it is going to put whatever current is back in the box. Okay, so you can see here the current is Brothers Pizza West Side. When I clear it, there is no current, but if I push this button, it's going to take that current and put it back. Okay, now I can select a different customer at this point. And now we see Brooks Meat is what's ready to go when we send it, but it's still Brothers Pizza. Now it says current is Brooks Meat. If I click X here and I get this plus, if I push it again, it's going to go back to Brothers Pizza. Okay, so if I want to send a blank, I hit the X once. If I want to go back to what it was and then I just hit the plus. If I want to change it, I simply do, as always, I come in and pick a different one. Okay, so now this one is going to get changed to Callaway's Yard and Garden. I'm going to say update. That's going to run and mark everything ready to sync. And now when we come over and take a look at the orders, both of these are ready to sync. And let's run the call host orders. And I'm going to save a little time by jumping ahead here. And now we see that everything's in sync and my requests have been updated.